Hello, my name is Mark. I'm a concept artist and illustrator working mainly for the entertainment industry. You are watching the fifth part of my character design tutorial. Um, I, I've got some really good feedbacks from a couple of my blog readers, and they mainly said they have problems with the pose with the main pose of the character. So as a first step, I'm fixing the different parts and trying to create a more dynamic pose, so more suggesting uh, uh, that that this character really turns back and trying to correct the proportions of the leg, the proportions of the arm, and fixing all the trying to fixing all the faults what I made in the previous stages. So I also desaturated the background a bit to pop up the character a bit more, and I probably have to go back again, but at this stage I'm happy. I'm happy with how it looks. So basically, this is the stage where I start the fine detailing. So I'm going back and refining everything what I established in the previous part. Trying to focus more on the materials and trying to make the whole character work in every part. So as you can see, I'm adding a small pipe to his gas mask. So um, to add a function to his backpack, because I was just thinking about his backpack supports his breathing. So I needed something to to connect it with his mask. I'm also adding more details to his backpack, like small wires and scrap metal pieces. Also detailing a bit further those cylinders with those fluids. Adding small red highlights. What is coming from the lights from the left side, and trying to define the materials more. Um, the main thing what I'm interested in here is to make everything more believable. I'm not really using any fancy tools. I'm just using the same distorted round brush. It's sort of an elliptic brush, and basically going through the whole character. So I'm always going back for the silhouette as well, as you can see, because there are lots of small things, even if it's just a 2 pixel wide white line on the silhouette. It really distracts the illustration. So I'm raising those back as well. As you can see, I'm jumping all around the illustrations. So what catches my eye, I just go there and put some more definition, put some more details there. Yeah, I'm also, uh, as you can see, I'm also pushing back those harsh highlights on the armor pieces. I'm doing that because I felt it really brings away the focus from the focus point, the focal point from the head, from the face of the character. There's those big white highlights. I'm always trying to think about functionality. So that's why I went back in and added some details to his clothes and erasing a bit back the folds because those were just too much. And I'm also adding the shadow, that big shadow, what his uh, what his arm on the right side casts on his body. So yeah, basically detailing. It could be a really long process. I'm not. Uh, I don't really want to go into photorealistic detail with this piece because it could take basically forever. So I'm just trying to achieve sort of a painterly look, but still push the character forward to a bit more realistic stage. Yeah, trying to correct everything what was out of perspective and adding all the small pieces, how his armor pieces attached to his body, and basically refining everything what I established in the previous part. The previous part was more about uh, putting down all the details what I want to see in the character, and this part is more about uh, adding definition to all those parts and basically make them right. I'm also changing the visor of his helmets to make it fit more to the gas mask when he folds it down. Yeah, silhouette work again. So it's kind of a weird step because in this step I'm pushing back, basically pushing back a lot of details what I've done in the previous part, but it really helps to clean up uh, your whole illustration. And as you will see in the next part, I will go more into texturing and adding those tiny details back again. But at this stage, I just really want to clean up everything and make the character and every part of his costume more readable. I want the whole costume to make sense, and it doesn't have to be like an industrial design piece, so or an object design piece, every part, but still it has to be believable inside the world where this character exists. So his whole existence is based on this weird steampunky world. So